Hey, beautiful people. Did you know you can change the name people see when you send emails without creating a new Gmail account? In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail display name quickly and easily, both using a computer and your mobile. So let's get started. First of all, I will show you how to change your Gmail name on a desktop. First of all, open Gmail on your computer, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then click See All Settings. Next, go to the Accounts and Import tab, find the section called Send Mail As, and click Edit Info next to your email address. Now, type the new name you want people to see when you send emails. After that, click Save Changes. That's it. Your Gmail display name is now updated. Now let's change the Gmail name on your mobile. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap Manage your Google account. Go to Personal Info. Tap on Name. Then enter your new name and tap Save. And you are done. One important thing to remember, you cannot change your Gmail address or username. You can only change the display name. Also, it may take some time for new name to appear everywhere. So be patient, and that's how you change your Gmail name. So if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.